Today is World Wetlands Day. We celebrate World Wetlands Day to raise global awareness about the essential role of wetlands for humanity and our planet. This year's theme is wetland restoration. Wetlands are an integral part of British Columbia's landscape. These ecosystems have countless benefits and function to provide wildlife habitat, water purification, and flood protection. Since the 1700s, more than 85% of the world's wetlands have been lost. And with almost half of all North American wildlife species relying on wetlands for their survival, it is more important than ever to safeguard these ecosystems. As a retired biologist who specializes in rare and endangered birds and amphibians, Penny Ohanjanyan knows how valuable a healthy wetland is.
Well, I think, we've taken so much from the land in agriculture and in just general human development. And I think it's important to give back because wetlands are declining everywhere. Many have been drained and a lot of habitat has been lost and continues to be lost.
There are over 4 hectares of wetlands on Penny's farm, Sparrowhawk Farm. And these wetlands have been restored with endangered and at-risk wildlife species in mind. Restoration takes many shapes. At Sparrowhawk Farm, wetlands were restored by seeding the banks of the wetland with native grasses and sedges, and planting live cuttings of native plants such as willow and dogwood. Some wetlands were deepened using heavy machinery in order to make better habitat for frogs and toads before planting. After the restoration, Penny has seen more wildlife visiting her farm than ever before. There are more birds, deer, and most importantly, lots and lots of frogs. Our individual and collective actions have an impact. One small action can have a ripple effect in your communities and beyond. Learn more about wetland restoration with us and support BC Wetlands by joining today.